Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to supercharge your Go High Level workflows? Well, follow along as we show you how to use Zapier with Go High Level in 2024 for automating your CRM, campaigns, and customer engagements. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, you have to get into this high level support portal because this page will take you directly to what we need to go. So here, as you can see, are you using high level for your business and looking to streamline your workflow further? Have you considered integrating it with Zapier? Well, as you can see, Zapier is a platform that allows different apps to communicate instantly to automate workflows. By integrating high level with Zapier, you can automate tasks such as lead capture, updating contacts, and much more. So connecting high level with Zapier might seem doubting since you will not be finding it right here. So if you search for high level, you will not be finding it that easily. So in case you would like to get the access to it, simply just go here to the bottom of this article and click on here. That's all you need to do. Once you have done that, so here you simply have to click on connect these apps. So there we go, connect these apps, and this will take you directly to this page. So instead of using the high level directly, we are going to use Service Titan and Lead Connector. That will be an alternative of high level. So they are going to be basically using, we are going to basically be using these two to manifest high level. So first of all, we need to connect our Service Titan account. To do so, click on sign in right through here. This will take you to this page or window, and you will have to put some ID and basically some informations about you. So here first you have to put your tenant ID, then you have to go ahead and put your client's ID, your client secrets, and then the environment to use. There is integration and production. So choose the one that you want to use. Once you have done that, the same thing has to be duplicated on the lead connector. So click on the lead connector, then click on connect lead connector, and here you will find this page. Here it's pretty simple. You will only need the API key, which you will find in your account. The best thing about this is like Zapier gives you exactly the URL, so you do not waste any time. Simply just click on it. As long as your account is connected, you will not find any problem. You will simply go right through it and copy the API key from there. Unless you don't have an account already, well, you will have to create a new one in both applications. Now, you will have to understand a couple of things. So these two things, these two not triangles, but rectangles that are in here are basically called special names. The first one is going to be the trigger, and the second one is the action. So the trigger is what triggers the whole Zap to make a task. A task is when the Zapier automation goes through all of the tasks, or basically the event that you have created within the page. So here, for example, I have the trigger is going to be starting from Service Titan right here, as you can see. So what I will need to do is to check what triggers do we have. So here on the Service Titan, you will have like 10 or 20 events, I think. So here they are. So these triggers are new appointments, triggers when there is a new appointment, new booking, triggers when there is a new booking for a booking provider, there is new business unit, there is new customer, new employee, new estimate, new form submission, new invoice, new job or project notes, new lead notes, new location, new payments, new projects, new purchase order, new technician, and update estimate. So all of these are basically events and triggers that you might want to be using for your Service Titan. So now you have an idea about what kind of event that could be the best of or for your business. So what is the purpose of your integration or automation that you want to do with Zapier? So these events will basically creates a visual path for you to understand more, or basically to choose specifically what you want. Now, Zapier has also a very unique thing, which is an AI tool or an AI chatbot. Basic, Basically, you could use this AI tool to basically just to write down for the AI what you want, and this AI will write down or basically choose and pick for you the best triggers, the best events, and the best actions. So with this, to trigger this AI, you simply have to go right here into the bottom left corner, click on Copilot, and simply click here, what can I help you automate? So write down exactly what you want. Do not just write, for example, automate that. For example, do not write automate Facebook. No, this is something that doesn't really make sense. You have to choose exactly what you want. Do you want to have automated Facebook posts in in your page? Do you want like automated Facebook messages? Do you want like whenever there is a new message to answer with a specific question answer in your messenger, for example? So you have to write down here like a precise answer or precise text, not any random prompt. You could literally just use ChatGPT for a big best prompt. You could like write down for ChatGPT, can you give me a prompt about this and that, so I can use it in an AI. And yeah, so GPT will do the job for you. We will have the best prompt that Copilot can understand the best. So yeah, this is something that you could be using, of course. Now, once you have connected both your accounts for Service Titan Lead Connector, you could of course create more steps. You can add more steps eventually, depending on what is your goal, what is the reason, the vision that you have, and basically the reason why you are using this automation in the first place. Now, once you finish the automation, once you feel like you're done and you're willing to quit this whole process, then and basically just like publishing it, you will have to check the amount of tasks. Now normally I have 100 tasks with my free plan. So if 100 tasks is what you will need, for example you will need only 100 automation per month, then yeah, free plan is the best for you. You can keep it, do not push forward for a premium plan. But in case you wanted to have more like task, you will be using this app like more frequently. For example, you will be spending like 1,000 per day, so you have to manage your plans and basically get a much higher plan when it comes to tasks. This will help you a lot to get more tasks in your account. So here you could literally just choose the professional plan and add more tasks. You don't have to go for team or enterprise. Just with those ones. Also, like the free one you can edit it, but the professional is the best one. This it also gives you the access to multiple premium apps, which are very helpful. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.